Welcome back. Summer is here and we need to keep those kids entertained. But first, I have to introduce our friend and sister in Christ, Allie Verkirk, who is joining us in studio. Welcome, Allie.
Thank you so much. Hi.
Allie is a wife, mom, and worship leader, and a preschool director. So, girls, what do you have to show us tonight?
So we have some really fun crafts that you can do with your kids this summer. We have a couple to show you tonight, but we're going to start with a fun idea to do with your kids is tie-dyeing. So Allie actually has the kit in front of her that you can just get on Amazon or at the store. And then we actually went on vacation together to Disney World, and so we got shirts, like just plain white t-shirts.
Okay.
And Allie's husband, Landon, designed the shirt and like put a little family vacay on there.
So cute. I love
Good
that.
idea.
And then we
literally just spritzed them.
Yeah, you wet them, we crinkled them up.
You
Like,
can kind of
that's
crinkle them,
it.
you can rubber band them. But we chose to go the
Did
easy
you-
route.
Yep.
When you say spritz
look
them,
great.
did you actually spray them?
Well, there's like a little hole at the top, you know, and you
Yeah, like this.
drains out.
our
exactly
kit.
like it's on
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Like a little
You just kind of
ketchup
drip it
container.
out as much as you want. Heavy, light.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
Medium.
really,
I
really
have a
cute and
question.
easy.
I have a question for you guys.
Yeah.
You two tie-dyers. So
Yes.
did you do it or did you allow your kids to do it? Because it would give me maybe a slight panic attack.
A little bit of both.
We did a little bit of both.
A little bit of both. London did this all by herself.
Yeah, this is
colors
my
are
daughter
great.
London's, and she's 10. She did pretty good.
Yeah.
The
She did
little ones,
awesome.
we were like,
Nah.
Mommy will do it for
Yeah.
you a little bit. But I mean,
I'm right there with you.
Allie has a 3-year-old little girl, her, but she did a good amount of hers.
Yeah, they did pretty good. I mean, you can't really mess up tie-dye.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
There's going to be colors smushed together, so
It was really fun.
was
It's
so much
easy,
fun.
It's affordable, a fun thing to do with your kids.
for sure.
And then next we have bubbles that Jean has right now.
Look at these. They're pipe cleaners. How cute is this? You twist them together.
yeah.
Or don't if you don't want, but you can make like a little circle, and then are these? I'm assuming these are bubbles. I'm gonna try
know.
it. So you just dip it in. Let's
Twist
see.
them up like this.
How did you know to put
Look,
I actually did
Did you
this
do
with
it?
my kids, and it was really cute.
This is
They
adorable.
loved it. Yeah.
Is this just like the bubble solution that you get?
Do you want to use it?
like
That
at the,
looks like Dawn soap.
It's Dawn, I think.
It's Dawn soap.
Yeah.
Look.
This is brilliant.
It made a big one. So anyway, you can do all different shapes, all different colors, and I think how
This is
fun
so
to
cute.
put a
So
swing
fun.
on regular bubbles with making your own
Wow.
bubble wand. Brittany made. Is that one
That's
you
a
made?
little more my speed.
Yeah, this is good. This is
Yes.
good. This is
I'm
good.
with you,
my
Ann.
kids did
This
this
is
the other
easy.
day, and they loved it. They had so much fun.
That
It's
is
just
so
fun.
You can do these
How do you know
little
when to put
guys.
the beads on?
So for after you twist it, you make a little
Really
loop
good
at
at
the
that.
top,
Okay.
like a little wand
That is
here.
really cute.
and then
cute?
secure it in place.
Oh.
And then you slip the beads on.
You
Just
could
for
also.
fun.
This is also a big one. Brittany,
is a great
did you
idea.
guys do this?
Wow, that's
We
fun.
did.
So what do you do?
So that's like.
These are two dowels.
Yeah. So you dip it in the bubbles, and then when you lift it
Oh,
up.
and it's like a big.
So there's a little video of my kids doing it.
Okay. That's
That's the
fun.
little one that they
Cute.
did.
Oh, there she
And you
got
just
some.
dip it in and then
How
lift it up.
fun.
And then it's like a big old.
Oh yeah! Wow! Wow!
that's really
that was a
neat.
good
Yeah.
one.
That's awesome.
And then you can fill a baby pool with it and do a
Okay.
hula hoop.
Oh,
And like
make
put your
'em
kids in
big.
it.
Now you're getting really creative.
Yeah. Now you're getting a little bit too much for me, but I
think
love
I stopped at this little guy.
Yeah, I think I stopped
This
at
is
the
where
pipe
I'd be
cleaners.
like,
great.
use your bubble wand, kids.
I love
are
these
so
ideas.
fun.
And it's
they're-
just fun.
And I feel like the pipe cleaner, it's like you usually
Oh,
have
Allie
that
made
in
a
your
little
house.
heart. Look at you.
I tried my best.
Ooh, Harper's going to
See,
love
so
that.
Dip.
She's taking
All
that
right,
home.
well, let's see what you
Let's
get.
see if I can do it. Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
Awesome.
One more time. Nope. Okay. That's all right. It works. I know it
Lauren's
does.
real crafty.
Well, hey, I am definitely going to use some of those crafts. Probably the bubbles, probably not the tie-dye. But hey, you know, whatever floats your boat.
Thanks for watching. For this and more, make sure you tune into Outspoken on Monday nights at 8/7 Central on FISM.tv. And remember, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our FISM TV YouTube channel for more videos just like this.